Personally, as a barrister and solicitor, and I'm kind of a lawyer. Now me say you friend young lawyers, young doctors, young nurses, young teachers, young professionals. You think that it will not be an advantage to the party? Now at every level, Kwampoku CID fits in.
Okay, so with this one, no, Obadia to say, and this NPP Lucy some of these professionals to the NDC, and is it because of if yes a policy, and I almost say a relationship party no Lucy maybe because that has been the discussion. Say NPP Lucy or more elites, NPP Lucy or to the NDC,
yeah, and
the youth.
Yeah,
and they babunu NDC are appealing to babunu than the NPP.
Yeah,
true. You agree?
Whether you agree or disagree, the data is showing that that is the fact.
So say it is
you can only play
a policy and a policy.
Yes, you can only play the ostrich, but the data will speak to it because gradually, we are losing the professionals. We are losing the young professionals. The MPP first year were young executives for young professionals. So, but I'm sure say numbers no bro so are for free. So there was no conscious effort to contain them. And quickly na ebi mo so chekwa NDC. Ti wo ma mtimi ebo so chekwa NDC no mo so sa dani wo mo no mo sa atwe.
Yeah.
Wo ma aka no.
Yeah.
And imagine say me lawyer ni na me wo lawyers ye wo we year group me twiwe na me twiwe they are coming to the party not because their parents belong there, but they are coming to the party because they see someone who they can relate with in the helm of affairs and they are drawing. That is the fact. Lecturers are come who bo man ejumama empty NDC were lecturers change because there was no conscious effort to incorporate them and contain them, and that is what I'm going to do. Above all, last one. Some are last one.
Yeah.
The advantage MPP Bamburu Ebenya when I become the national youth organizer. ASA. So you call national council meeting and a national executive committee meeting, which as a national youth organizer, nobody there can bully me out. You know why they can't bully me? You can't bully me because I'm bringing something on the table. Nyamia Dom, MPP Fuada Roba, His Excellency Adodanko Kufuado, appointed me as a DC. And Obi or neck, Obi or National Council, or your former minister, or your former MP, or your where or no to as next member. Edimena Mode address and you're honorable. Honorable I have managed the whole district. So you think that they can bully me out? You can't, because at that level, I've also been there. It is a okay. Respectfully, not to say that will be a because my chair district security council as chairman, and I am bringing a lot onto the table, and that is why it should be Kwame Poku CID and no other person.